Noah was talking about gold and silver. Let me tell you something. It
Yeah.
started at the beginning of the year. It continued in the middle of the year. It continues even as of yesterday. We had 113,000 spread go on for gold for GLD. Absolutely unbelievable the kind of numbers that are coming in there. They were buying the 420s, selling the 435s. They were buying the 425s, another 113,000 to sell the 440s. So they're putting on giant spreads. This has been going on, Oliver, all year long. GLD just keeps on coming, keeps on coming. And by the way, silver as well. SLV just continues to be something every single week. There's something out there. So far, they've been going even further out into April. So they don't think it's over yet, even though this has been an incredible run by both gold and silver.
Yeah, you were on it. You talked SLV with us several times here over the last month. So nice eyes on that for sure. Pete, great stuff. Always fun.
Man.
Yeah, I love that shirt, by the way.
Well, I'm in Florida, man. So it's,
I
this is
know.
Christmas in Florida.
I love it. All right. Good stuff.
I
Sharks in the
appreciate
water,
it.
baby.
Thanks, Oliver.
Yes, sir. Have a good one. Thanks, Pete.